Hey y'all, Chuck here with No Time to Be Sad, Paige, Soy Mafia, Paul Red. Yeah. Awesome day here in Top Phnom.
You're my heartbeat, my silent drum, that is kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky. When he opens his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum, that's kicking me till I'm numb.
Today I want to make a quick video on 5 things that has changed me while living in Thailand. So let's start with number 5. Number 5 is lots more energy. Being in Thailand full time and not working and worrying about the crazy things that don't matter, I've developed a new hobby of bike riding, and I'm able to exercise. I got my personal gym here, and I'm able to exercise when I want to and ride my bike. But it's very hot in Thailand, and it seems like you really sweat out a lot of the unnecessary toxins in your body. The heat really does me a lot better than the cold does anyway, but amongst the lifestyle, the food. Well, what do you think, guys? Sunday fun day. Energy of happy people and being able to bike ride, my energy level is really high. Unfortunately, I still have to keep up with it. The Energizer Bunny. I am headed to Nakhon Phanom right now. It's a 55-kilometer ride, just right up the road. Yeah, I'll see you guys there in a minute. Well, I made it just under 55 kilometers here in Nakhon Phanom. I'm now stopped at my favorite restaurant here on the river. I don't know if you guys can see the river from here. But yeah, just got me a little half of a chicken, a little bit of dipping sauce, and way too much rice I won't be able to eat. So I was just gonna eat a little bit of a, usually they have like chicken wings, but they're sold out. But I feel pretty good other than my face is red. Everybody asks why do I always bundle up with everything, because the sun is very dangerous here. I think today it's gonna get up to about 43 degrees. I think right now it's about 36 degrees Celsius. So, but I feel pretty good. Got another 55-kilometer ride back home. Gonna eat, relax around the river a little while. Feel great, even after a month worth of traveling. When I first started riding the bike, I didn't know if I was going to be able to do it when I got here because my knees hurt really bad from riding, and then my butt, I think, hurt the worst from riding the bike. I bought cushions, I bought bigger seats, I bought all kinds of stuff, but my knees have never felt better. I have no problems going downstairs now. I think the bicycle has really helped me quite a bit. So number four is spending habits. So my spending habits have changed a lot since I've moved to Thailand. Really changed a lot since I just downsized my life. I sold everything I had back in the United States and gave up the American dream of buying crap that we don't need with money we don't have to impress people that we don't like. So I don't need a lot of things anymore. The only thing I buy are just the basic necessities. Mainly we just travel and spend our money on enjoying what really matters in life, and that's happiness. Our money goes a long way now when we're really just only spending it on ourselves. Number 3 is comfort level. I've become a lot more flexible in just accepting the way that things are. When we travel, I used to have to sleep on a very expensive mattress back home. that just fit me just right, just perfect, with the perfect pillow. But here I'm just happy if the room is clean and the air conditioner works. I still gotta have the air conditioner because it's very hot in Thailand. But most of the time when you go to a hotel or you travel around Thailand or anywhere in the world, the bed's not gonna be the same as yours. So it makes it difficult if you can't be flexible and your comfort level. So I actually now sleeping on harder beds, I have really learned that a little firmer mattress has actually been a lot better for my back. At first I was a little stiff, my hands were going to sleep. You know, there's always an adjustment period to everything. So don't say, oh, I can't ride a bike because my knees hurt, or I can't lay on a firm mattress. There's always a little bit of adjustment period that your body has to get used to, but your body will adapt to a lot of things. The bathrooms too in the hotels are completely different than what we're used to. You're not going to find a lot of bathtubs, and usually it's just a one for all. They got the sink, the shower, and the toilet all together. Everything really in Thailand is pretty hard, made out of bamboo or made out of solid wood. When I first moved here, I carried a pillow around for at least 3 months. And I brought all the way from the United States, carried on the plane, brought it, and I still have it at home, but it got to where it really, that's a pain in the butt, literally a pain in the butt. I gave it up, I dealt with it. It took a long time. I was like, now I know why Asians have flat butts, because they don't believe in cushions, you know, but I'm used to it now. It doesn't matter. The only thing I still I can't do, because I don't do that often, is sit on my knees or sit like Indian style for long periods of time. But anyway, the less that you expect from places as far as comfort level or what you're familiar with or what you expect, it'll become a lot easier traveling around outside of your home. Number 2 is living in the moment. You know, just like you guys, I had a busy career, had a business, had kids, had everything that we normally have in the Western world, you know, and it becomes very stressful. So we only live for the weekends, or we only think, oh, I get a 2-week vacation here. So we're living for moments in life and just trying to get through the day. So really now, I don't know what time it is. I rarely know what day it is. And most of the time I have no idea what the month is, because it really, to be honest with you, it really just doesn't matter anymore to me. So I've lost track of time. And you know, they say when you retire that time goes by fast, but to me, it doesn't really seem to go fast. When I wake up, I don't really know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to try to enjoy every single moment of every single day if possible. Number one is patience. I have grown a lot of patience here in Thailand. I will tell you, you really have to have a lot of patience. You know, we tend to lose our patience back home. Everybody loses their patience in every situation, but you really got to be patient with Thai people, because sometimes it seems like they're kind of daydreaming or in their own world, not intentionally trying to disrespect you or anything, but they don't think too far ahead. I'll just say that. So sometimes you got to have a patience when dealing with drivers on the road, or pedestrians, or somebody's dog chasing you, or kids screaming, or a lot of things in Thailand. So it doesn't pay to get aggressive or upset, because it really only affects you. So I've become very patient in Thailand, and I'm still working on it. It's so much easier just to let things go. I look at things now and I just laugh. You know, I really like to know about a lot of things. I like to get an understanding and a meaning of things. I'm trying to learn Thai. I can speak Thai, but I can read and write Thai better than I can speak. The language is if you can sing a song, carry a note, then you can learn Thai pretty good. But if you're horrible at singing and monotone, it's difficult to sing the Thai words. So I've learned quite a bit of Thai, and I can have conversations with Thai people. I get a lot better understanding of the things that I didn't understand before, that I was a little impatient about. So patience is the #1 thing changed in my basic attitude in everyday life here in Thailand. that's all I wanted to say. I just wanted to tell you some of the things that have changed me while living in Thailand for a few years. I still love it here. I'm learning every day. I still feel like a little kid. Everything is new to me. I'm actually in another province by myself, and I'm ordering food and I'm talking to people, and I'm just trying to acclimate myself into the culture and really get a grasp for what's going on. So all that being said, word of the day. I didn't want to forget word of the day. I think I forgot it on a couple videos. I am sorry. I want to teach you guys about certain levels of spice. Spicy in Thai is pet. So a lot of us foreigners don't eat spicy, except me, but I prefer spicy. Not so much where I can't enjoy the food, but I prefer spicy. So if you don't want spicy food, I taught you guys the other day how to ask a question. Mi bia mai? Mi bia mai? Mi bia mai? Bia? Bia mai mi. Lan mi bia mai? Chai. So to ask for, if you want something not spicy, you say, my owl pet cup, my owl pet, my tall pet means I don't want spicy. I don't like spicy. Not no spicy. My pet, my pet. If you want a little bit spicy, you say pet nit noi. Nit noi means a little bit. Pet nit noi, but sometimes a little bit in Thai is still spicy, so you gotta be careful. You can always say falang pet nit noi. They'll get a little kick out of that, and they'll understand we need to tone it down quite a bit for the falang, right? Or if you want spicy, you could just say I'll pet cop, which means I want spicy. Or you can just say, like speaking language like Thai people, just say pet tamada cop. Tamada means like normal, like the usual. Pet tamada just means normal spicy. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I've got a lot more videos coming. I'm gonna try to do an every Friday video of how to do something in Thailand. We'll give it a try. I think it'll be fun. I'll try to keep you entertained. Please click like if you liked it, subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next video. Bye.